Today is a bisque day. I just opened it. It's warm. Okay, what do we have here? That's it. That's a little tiny mushroom that Ronit made. I actually made it. I was bored. I make a workshop in Israel, somewhere up north, and I was bored. So this is what I decided to do. My students were very busy. So Hadass made it. You see this crack? I knew it would happen, and I'm afraid that the next that the glaze will not stop it. I have this thing, fill up cracks. Might work. I don't know. I don't like this trying crack things. Anyway, okay. This is, I don't know if you can read it. It says Shalom, peace, and salam. Now I made this as a gift for this Arab restaurant that we go to every Friday morning. We go eat hummus, which is very good for you. So it's a gift for them because they moved to a different restaurant anyway. So it's a gift for them. This I made for my manager at work because she's leaving and I know she would like it. Nice. Okay, next. Next. Where am I putting stuff? Okay. Oh. It's not bad. I have a new student. He's 11 years old, and he's, you know, we all have our problems, and he has some problem. Anyway, but he's very cute. So he comes to me, and this is what he made. I made it. It's also for my manager that's leaving. That's it. That's the gift. That's all she gets. Oh, Liat made it. This Hadass made. She didn't sign that, but that's Hadass made. She wanted it to be like that. She liked the idea. That also Liat made. Beautiful, huh? Really beautiful.
Or soap.
Yeah. That's another crack. Another plate that Hadass made. We'll see how we can fix that. Oh. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Oh, wow. Huge cracks. But I think it can still work. That, who made it? I think Ronit made it. Liat made it. Liat, look at that. It's like completely round. Okay, that I think Kochi made it, but I'm not sure. Because I think they made like a mushroom day. They both made tons of mushrooms. I actually made this for Kochi. They're cute little mushrooms. Oh, and this is, this is how it's gonna be. See? And it's a stand for the other mushroom. It's a stand for the other mushroom. So she's just gonna glue it together. Okay. That coffee made it's beautiful. I think I made it. Yeah, I made it. Okay. Next, how many mushrooms? Then I think Ronit made it. This mushroom is a cute one though. Looks like a dwarf. Well, that's my dwarf for my mom. Isn't that cute? I actually made the bottom part on the wheel. And I really liked the way it, it fell, the clay, and it made like this folds. And I said to myself, oh, I like it. It looks real.
Yeah.
So, that's it. That's it for today. Hope you liked it. Bye. Have a